Hello! In front of me I've got OPPO A53s. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So in the beginning let's enter the camera. And let's start with the modes. So this camera offers us video, photo, portrait, macro, sticker, Google Lens, time-lapse, expert and panorama modes. Let's start with the video and check how much we can zoom in. So we've got 6 times zoom in and we can't zoom out. Also video mode offers us flashlight, fill light and filters. Also you can change brightness level manually by tapping on the screen. In photo mode, we can also zoom in 6 times and we can't zoom out. But right here we can enable flashlight, fill light, HDR, dazzle color and put on some filters. If you tap right here, you got AI beautification. Then we've got typical portrait mode, macro, sticker, Google Lens, which is really cool tool. Time-lapse, but not adjustable. Expert mode, where you can change ISO, shutter, white balance, AF and EV. And panorama mode. Now let's go to the settings. Where we can change frame rate, timer for every mode. We can set timer between 3 seconds and 10 seconds. And in settings we can change volume button function for volume, shutter and zoom. We can enable fingerprint shooting, shutter sound, location, flip selfie and quick launch gestures. Also we can enable touch to take a photo, grid lines, AI recognition and watermark. Then we can change video resolution and video encoding. Let's check the front camera, where we can enable HDR and flashlight. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.